record a recurring supplier invoice or purchase invoice. On left-hand sidebar, go to Purchase Invoices, and on top header there is Repeat Purchase Invoices. For example, if you have a mobile bill which is on a 1, 2 or 3 year contract, this is how you can set up this recurring invoice being entered on system automatically. So create a repeat purchase invoice, supplier reference, you can select like phone 1234, that might be a contract number, description, monthly subscription, let's use monthly subscription. If this supplier invoice is in different currency and you have enabled multi-currency activity, you'll be able to change currency here, and then select a supplier, in my case it will be phone limited, and add line item, and I will select phone, telephone, and quantity 1, and it will be, I will say monthly subscription, and rate is say £35, and then below that supplier invoice we can add a duration and frequency. So duration, there is, we can set a amount, so how many times it occurs. So if it's very first supplier invoice and we know that it will be for next 3 years at that rate, we can set that it will happen 36 months, for example. So create a set amount of times starting from particular date. Then I can select until specific date, or I can also create a disabled, don't create a duration. So let's say I will have 24 months, and frequency I can select annually, monthly, multi-monthly if required, weekly, or starting on every etc. days. So in my case I will say that it's monthly, takes place on 3rd on the month, and I can create record a payment. So for example, I have set up a direct debit with this supplier and money will go automatically from my bank account. I can select or record this payment on my bank account, and I can select on which bank account I want this transaction to be recorded, and phone limited bill or invoice as a note. And once you're happy, click save. We can still edit, copy or delete this one, but the duration, frequency and payment will be recorded on bank account. This way how you can record repeat or recurring supplier invoices on KashFlow.